Hi, in the part 13, we will see how to create the bend feature in sheet metal. See, these are all the content we are going to see. Bend, bend with transition, planar bend, edge bend, solid to sheet metal conversion, unbend, bend back. These things we are going to see. We will see in Creo. In Creo, I have created one flat wall look like T. See, I will show the dimensions. 200 width, 600 long. See, this one is 500 and 100. The thickness 5 mm. Okay, now I am going to. I also created one hole here. Now we will see how to create the bend features. Bend placement, where we are going to create bend. See, on this surface we are going to bend. Then we have to draw the bend line. Give the sketch. It automatically takes the selected surface as a sketching plane. Now I am going to create bend line here. So I am picking the references. Okay, I am drawing one line from here to here. Okay, just I am keeping like this. Okay. See, now this portion bent downwards, but we need this portion to be bent upwards, so I am changing the fixed. See, this is the arrow to change the fixed side, otherwise we can pick here also. See, picking this. Now this one is fixed and this portion is bent. We need upward bend. Just pick this arrow, you can get. Okay, see, bend. See, there are three options given here. One is, see, bend material up to bend line. See, I am picking this one. See, here we have drawn the line. Bend created within this line. See, you can try these things yourself also. Second one is after the bend line. See, bend line is this one. After the bend line, all bend features created. This one is the both side. Bend created both sides. See, the round is in both side. Round, full round on bend side. The first one. See, after the round, bend created. Okay. Okay. See, this is bend. If we want to roll, we can roll. See, I am picking this one. I am giving the roll. We have to give the rolling radius. I am giving 100 mm. See, the roll started after the bend line. I picked this one, so roll started after the bend line. If you pick both, it will, see, we have to increase the value. See, because both side of the bend line roll takes place. If we pick this one, only this portion roll takes place. This is same for both bend as well as a roll. If we pick within this line, see, before this line, entire thing rolls. You have to understand this clearly. Okay, now I am creating bend. We have to give the 2 times thickness. Then after the bend line, we are creating this bend. Okay. Okay. This one. Now we will see how to create the transition. I'm deleting this. I am going to roll this sheet. Bend placement. We are going to roll this sheet across this one line. Bend line. Sketch. I'm creating one bend line. We are going to roll, give the value, give both side. We need to roll both side. Change the flip. Here after the bend line it starts roll. We need both sides, so I am picking this one. Both side it's rolled. Okay, we can increase 80. Okay, 90 is better. See, it will be rolled like this, but we need here flat. We need here flat, then here roll means we can achieve this through the transition. See, bend line, okay. Transition, add transition, sketch, sketch view, references. So this is the transition zone I am creating. Transition must start here and it should end here. This area, these 200, we need 300, we need flat. This area we need flat. Here we need the roll. This zone, roll to flat transition should happen. Okay, so give okay. Now see the preview. Here roll, this side flat, in between transition is happen. This is transition. Okay, then relief we already seen in the earlier classes. Similarly, bend allowance, k factor, y factor, these details clearly we see the previous part. Okay, now we understood these things. Okay, then I'm going to create one planar bend. See here, planar bend is there. I never used it in my experience this one, but anyway we will see in Creo. Planar bend, angle. Here also we can do the roll. Done. Part bend table. This is for giving the k factor, y factor value. It takes automatically. Done. Return. Select a sheet metal surface to sketch on. I am selecting this is surface. Select direction. This is the viewing direction. Okay. Default. Sketch view. We have to draw the references. Close. We have to draw one line. Okay. 175. Now we drawn the sketch, bend line. Indicate on which side of entity to create feature. This is the message window. We can read which side of entity to create feature. Now we are going to bend this side. So just flip this. Go OK. Which area to be fixed? This area is going to be fixed. Then go OK. How much the angle? Sidewards. Planar bend means sidewards. I am giving 60 degree. Done. This is the bend radius. We can give the value or thickness. Which side? This side we need to bend or this side? If you want that side, flip this side. Okay. Preview. Okay. This is the planar bend. These things we can create in the flat features also. This is the planar bend. I am deleting this planar bend. If we want to unbend these features, means just to pick the unbend. See the geometry. Okay. See, we are getting unbend. Why we are using unbend means, if we want to create one more hole here, means we already created the bend, then we can use this option. We can make unbend, then we can create the hole. Hole. I'm going to create a hole with respect to this one. Zero, 150. And created one more hole, through hole. Okay. With respect to this hole, we have created this hole. Then we can move to bend back. Just to give the bend back, entire feature will be created. See? Okay. This is unbend and bend back. Now we have seen bend with a transition, planar bend, solid bend we have not seen, solid to sheet conversion, unbend, bend back we have seen. Now solid to sheet conversion we will see. I am creating one solid feature. Now I am creating one solid feature with 3 mm thickness. Okay, now we created one solid. Now we are going to convert this into sheet metal file. Sorry, not file, operations. Convert to sheet metal. Driving surface. We have to select one surface. It should be a driving surface. I have selected bottom as a driving surface. Then give OK. Now the solid become sheet metal. But in the sheet metal, these edges should not be sharp. So we can create round. See? Here we can use this edge bend. Simply by picking this one, this one, this one, this one. See? This is the edge bend. Through the round also we can create, but we have to select inner, outer separately. Here by selecting single edge we can convert this into sheet metal. Okay, this is the edge bend. Now we have seen all the things. Thank you.